Hello, my name is Christopher Huang, and today I will be teaching you how to make a 3D origami dragon. You'll need 64 red pieces and 87 yellow pieces. Let's start off with the body. You will need 14 red pieces and 27 yellow pieces. To start off, you want 2 yellow pieces. You want them facing upwards, and you want to connect the two using one red piece. Next, you want to add 2 yellow pieces on each side. The remainder of the body follows in a regular pattern, so follow along with the video. This is what it should look like when it's completed. For the neck of the dragon, you will need 10 red pieces and 4 yellow pieces. To start off, you want 2 red pieces. You want to connect the 2 in the middle using 1 yellow piece. On top of that, you want to add 2 more red pieces. And again in the middle, add 1 yellow piece. and repeat this pattern for the remainder of the neck. You want to bend the neck slightly so that there is a curve to it. For the head of the dragon, you will need 4 red pieces and 14 yellow pieces. For the last 2 pieces on the side, you want to reverse the piece before putting it on. For the mane of the dragon, you want to use the red pieces. Put them on reverse on the very edges first, like so. For the 2 pieces in the middle, you still want them reversed, but instead of putting it on any of the forks, you want to put them in between the 2, like so. For the tail of the dragon, you want 12 red pieces and 12 yellow pieces. To start off, you want 1 red piece at the bottom and add 2 yellow pieces on top. Connect these 2 in the middle with another red piece. Repeat this pattern until you've used 4 red pieces. Next, you want to add 1 red piece to the right side, like so. For this yellow piece, you want 2 of the forks in the left pocket and 1 fork in the right pocket, like so. This part might be a little bit tricky because you will need to stretch one of the pockets. On top of that, stack another yellow piece. And then stack another red piece on the left side and 1 more on the right side. Do this once more with 2 yellow pieces. Again, for this next red piece, you want 2 of the flaps in the left pocket and 1 flap in the right pocket. On top of that, add a yellow piece and another red piece, and finally one more yellow piece. Then on either flap you want to add one red piece so that one flap hangs out. Then you want to connect these two in the middle with one more red piece like so. Then you want to bend the tail slightly. For each wing, you need 10 red pieces and 11 yellow pieces. You want to start off with a red piece and add one yellow piece on top. You want to keep this alternating pattern until you've used 6 pieces. Next, with a new yellow piece, you want to alternate this pattern until you have 5 pieces, again with 4 pieces, and finally one with 3 pieces. You want to have 4 sections that look like this. Next, you want to take the 2 shorter segments and 1 red piece. You want to hold the 2 segments together like so, and then together insert them into the 1 red piece. Next, you want to take this section and the 5-piece long segment and connect them together using 1 yellow piece. You can adjust the bend of these pieces slightly so that the wings fit better. Finally, take this section and the longest segment that you have and connect them together using a red piece. Make any final adjustments to the wings as needed. In total, you will have 2 of these wings. For the legs of the dragon, you want 4 red pieces and 8 yellow pieces. The legs have an irregular assembly, so follow along with the video. In total, you will make 4 of these legs. Now that you have finished all the parts, it's time to assemble the dragon. First, you'll need the body and the legs. You want to turn the body over like so, and then attach the legs by inserting them into the slots in between the pieces as shown. Next, to attach the tail to the body, you want to insert the back end of the body into the yellow flaps on either side of the red piece at the end of the tail. To attach the head to the neck, you want to take the base end of the neck and first pinch the 2 flaps. Then you want to insert those into the slots at the back of the head, like so. Make sure to push it in so that it stays in place. Next, you want to bend the neck a bit more and then insert the bottommost flaps into the front of the body. For the wings, you want to take the entire wing and insert the very tip of it into the side of the body. You want to insert the other wing at the same place on the other side of the body so that it is symmetric. You can then bend the wings outwards so that the wings stick out of the body more. Finally, you can glue two googly eyes to the head of the dragon. This is what the dragon will look like when it is completed. This is how you make a 3D origami dragon.